Hello everybody, it's NJT Amtrak guy. So recently I've told you all that I've been looking for a newer camera to make my videos with. And so after doing some research and watching some test videos, the model that I decided to go with is the Panasonic HC-V100M camcorder. This camcorder features a 42x optical zoom, along with a built-in 16GB internal memory. To go with that, I've added a 32GB external memory card to maximize my video time. This camcorder is also full HD, which will allow much better quality. These are some of the components that came with it. And yes, so as soon as I get everything hooked up, charged up, and ready to go, I will be sure to bring you a new set of videos from this new camera. Please let me know what you think about the quality and sound of this camera as soon as I get it going. I hope to hear from you all soon.